Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have just started Super Fantasy Kingdom, today I will show you which heroes to unlock first, why they are strong early on and how you can build them quickly. So when you are new to the game, you want heroes who are easy to build and the heroes that provide you strong benefits in the early levels. So you need to look for the heroes with area damage, crowd control, and resource generation. The one hero that you should unlock early is Celeste. She heals you and your team and clears the minions, making your dungeon run smoother. Another strong option is Bran the Berserker, which is heavy signal target damage, which is perfect for bosses. And don't forget the Lyra the Archer, that is great for ranged attacks, hitting the enemies before they actually reach you. So to unlock them, you just have to focus on completing the early campaigns stages and collect the shards from the gold chests and the daily missions. Then you use the shards to unlock the heroes and you level them up. So once they are unlocked, you can upgrade their abilities using the talent points. You can going to earn them on each level, so this boosts their effectiveness fast. You can pair Celeste's healing with Lyra's ranged hit, and you can run tactics, and you have got a balanced team. So that's how you can unlock the heroes in this game. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.